we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of BAHNU leaf blower cordless with battery. Consists of the following features. 2025 new model leaf blower cordless. This leaf blower a 2025 new design with a turbo air duct, offering stronger wind power and a more compact size compared to traditional models. It comes fully assembled and includes 2 batteries, making it perfect for quickly and efficiently cleaning your yard, leaves, dust, or even drying your car after a wash. Whether for home or outdoor use, this blower gets the job done faster and better. Adjustable speed. This cordless leaf blower features an adjustable speed function. The harder you press the switch, the higher the wind speed it produces. If it suddenly stops during use, it means the high temperature protection mechanism or battery over discharge protection mechanism has been activated. Simply wait for 20 seconds, reinstall the battery, and it will operate normally again. 21 volt, 2 pieces batteries electric blower. This cordless electric leaf blower comes equipped with 2 21-volt batteries, providing up to 40 minutes of runtime when fully charged, 20 minutes per battery. Even when used outdoors, you won't have to worry about running out of power. Its cordless design allows for easy operation without the need to bend over, making it effortless and convenient to use. Battery maintenance tips. The leaf blower cordless with battery, equipped with temperature control protection. After the battery is fully consumed, a green light may appear when charging immediately. Please wait 5 to 10 minutes after discharging before charging. At this time, the battery indicator light will be red, indicating the normal charging status. The indicator light will turn green when fully charged. To maximize battery life and longevity, please fully charge the battery when not in use. Efficient tools. This cordless leaf blower is compact and requires no assembly, yet it packs a powerful 35,000 RPM motor. Whether you're clearing leaves, dust, yard debris, or drying your car after a wash, it gets the job done quickly and efficiently. It's even great for starting a barbecue fire. Enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable living space with this versatile tool. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.